अनुर्तं साहसं माया मूर्खत्वम् अतिलोभिता अशौचत्वं निर्दयत्वं स्त्रीणां दोषः स्वभावजा. Chanakya states that falsehood, undue boldness, deceit, foolishness, excessive greed, impurity, and lack of compassion are considered innate traits in women by nature. These tendencies are viewed as natural dispositions at birth, not universal, nor implying that every woman embodies all these faults. He also acknowledges the invaluable creative and sustaining role of women. Ideal figures like Sita, Radha, Jijabai, and Rani Lakshmibai reflect women's virtues, and it would be thoughtless to focus only on flaws. Bhojyam bhojan shaktischa rati shaktishtara varangana vibhavo dana shaktischa nalpasya tapasah phalam. Chanakya says that excellent food, the capacity to eat, sexual vigor, a beautiful spouse, wealth, and a habit of charity are not rewards for those performing minimal austerity. They favor people blessed with fortune from past lives. Many have luxury without the capacity to enjoy. Others have health without food or wealth without generosity. Only those with all these, sustenance, strength, passion, spouse, wealth, and charity, are truly fortunate and considered beneficiaries of previous life's merit. Yasya putro vashibhuto bharya chandanogamini vibhave yasya santushti tasya swarga hevahi. Three blessings create heaven on earth: a disciplined son who obeys moral duty, a wife who follows dharma and morals, and contentment with one's wealth. Such a man experiences heaven in his earthly life. These blessings are seen as fruits of virtuous actions. Te putrah ye pituh bhakta, sah pita yastu poshakah, tan mitram yatra vishwasah sa bharya ya nivritte. An obedient, respectful son is true to his father. A nurturing parent is truly a father. A faithful, trustworthy person is a true friend. A wife who brings peace to her husband is true to him. Relationships are meaningful only when each performs their duty with sincerity and mutual care. Parikshit karyahantaram pratyakshe priyavadinam varjayet tadrisham mitram vishakumbham payomukham. A friend who flatters your face sweetly while undermining your work behind your back is like a jar of poison disguised with milk. Such destructive friends must be abandoned. They are not worthy of trust. Na vishvashet kumitre cha mitre chapi na vishvashet. Kadachit kupitam mitram sarvam guhyam prakashayet. Never fully trust even a friend or one considered a foe, as an angry friend may reveal all your secrets. To safeguard yourself, it's best not to share confidential matters even with those closest to you. Mansa chintitam karyam vacha naiva prakashayet. Mantren rakshayet gudham karya cha api niyojayet. Never speak aloud your inner plans. Treat them like secret commands, mantras. Maintain confidentiality and act on them quietly. Revealing ambitions or plans prematurely invites mockery or sabotage. Kashtam cha khalu murkhatvam cha kashtam cha khalu yauvanam. Kashtat kashtataram chaiva pargehe nivasanam. Foolishness and even youth are sources of suffering, but living dependently in another's household is agony beyond endurance. It infringes upon pride and autonomy. True misery may lie in dependence more than in hardship or youth. Shaile shaile na manikyam moktikam na gaje gaje, sadhvo hi nahi sarvatra, chandanam navane vane. Just as not every mountain has jewels, and not every elephant carries pearls, not every place has sandalwood, and not every community has noble individuals. True virtuous persons, like rare sandalwood trees in lonely forests, are scarce. Wherever they are found, they deserve deep respect. Punascha vividhe shilai, niyojya satatam budhe, nitigyah shila sampannah bhavanti kulpujitah. Wise parents should consistently engage their children in varied virtuous disciplines. A son with moral integrity brings honor to the family. It is a fundamental parental duty to nurture virtuous values beyond just formal education. Mata shatru pita vairi yena balo na pathitaha, na shobhate sabha madhye, hansa madhye vako yatha. A mother who doesn't educate her child is likened to an enemy, and likewise a father. An uneducated person among the learned is as out of place as a crow among swans. Education, like wealth, commands respect. Ignorance diminishes a person's dignity. लालनात् बहवो दोषा ताडनात् बहवो गुणा तस्मात् पुत्रम च शिष्यम च ताडयेत न तु लालयेत. Excessive pampering breeds faults. Appropriate discipline fosters virtues. Children and students need firm correction, not indulgent affection. Guidance with firmness shapes character and prevents bad habits. Shlokena va tadardha va abandhyam divasam kuryat danadhyayana karmabhi. Every day one should sincerely study, even a verse or its meaning, and engage in reflection, learning, and charity. These activities give true purpose to the day and make life meaningful. Kanta viyoga swajana pamano rinasya shesha kunuripasya seva daridra bhavo vishaya sabhacha vinagnimete pradahanti kamaye. Emotional pain from separation of loved ones, disrespect by family, debts, servitude to immoral rulers, poverty, and gatherings with deceitful people burn one from within like invisible flames. Such suffering is far worse than physical pain. Nadi tire cha ye vriksha parageheshu kamini mantrihinascha rajana shighram nashyanti sanchayam. Trees near eroding river banks, a woman living in another's house, and a king without capable advisors, they all perish quickly. River banks fail to support tree roots. A woman away from home loses her social sanctity. A ruler without capable advisors collapses swiftly. Balam vidya cha vipranam, rajnah sainyam balam tatha, balam vittam va vaishyanam shudranam cha kanishtata. For Brahmins, knowledge is their strength, for kings it is the army, for merchants wealth, and for laborers or service classes Shudras their strength lies in service. True power aligns with one's social role and duties. Nirdhanam purusham veshyam, prajabhagnam ripam tyajet, khagah vit alam vriksham, chabhyagato griham. A prostitute abandons a poor man, subjects abandon a powerless king, and birds abandon a fruitless tree. This mirrors nature. Things or people lose relevance once they cease to be useful. Grihitva dakshinam vipra, tyajanti jajmankam, prapti vidya gurum shishya, dagdharanyam mrigatatha. A Brahmin departs after receiving the fee, a student leaves after gaining knowledge, and animals leave a forest in flames. Individuals often remain only as long as they derive benefit. Once the objective is achieved or the environment changes, they move on. Durachari cha durdrashti, duravasi cha durjana, yam maitri kriyate pumbhi, nara shighra vinashyati. A wicked person, one with bad vision or immoral habits, or one who lives among wrongdoers, friendship with such people leads even a noble individual to ruin quickly. One's associates define one's destiny. Samane shobhate priti raggi seva cha shobhate, vanijyam vyavahareshu stridivya shobhate grihe. Friendship suits equals, service fits kings, commerce befits traders, and a virtuous wife brings dignity to her home. Each class and relationship thrives when people occupy roles suited to their nature and vocation.
If you found this Chanakya Niti valuable, give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a drop of ancient wisdom.